Hi, we are going to show you how to dismount a tire insert from a tubeless wheel. Notice the insert is oversized. The procedure is easier with inflated tire. You can see the tire is inflated. We start with one Krabber from the opposite side from the valve. We position the first Krabber. The Krabber tips have to be inserted correctly between the rim and the tire. We take the second Krabber and position it at approximately 20 centimeters away from the first one. Also, in this case, we need to check that Krabber tips are inserted between the rim and the tire. At this point, we adjust the Krabber also at the opposite side. We start to unlock the bead. From both sides. Once we have unlocked the portion completely, we can finish the operation using a tire lever in the area between the two Krabber and continue all the way around the circumference. First on the one side and then the other. This operation is easier as we have already unlocked one portion. At this stage, we turn the wheel so that the Krabber lay on the ground and we operate at the opposite side. We position two levers at about 15 centimeters from each other. We pull the first one and then the second one. We remove the levers. At this point, manually, using one lever, we finish disassembling the first portion of the tire. We remove both Krabber. Unlock the axle to remove them easily. Having disassembled the first side, we remove the tire insert. As you can see, it's an oversized tyre. We finish disassembling the tire from the wheel. Thanks!